Hello children, welcome you all to my English lesson. Today, let's learn how to extract the general idea of a text. General idea means what is the text about. To extract the general idea of a text, we must read the text carefully. The content of the text, keywords, and picture clues help us to extract the general idea of any text. So children, let's try to find the general ideas of these 5 passages. Okay, let's move to the first passage. Passage A. Dinosaurs were a group of prehistoric animals. They lived on Earth a long time ago. They had scaly skin, lived on the land, and laid eggs. The word dinosaur means terrible reptile in ancient Greek. There are some new words in this passage. Let's find out their meanings. Prehistoric, very old. Scaly skin, very dry and rough skin. Look at this picture. It's a picture of a scaly skin. Terrible, awful, or horrific. Okay, let's find out the general idea of the above passage. Question 1. This passage is about prehistoric animals, an introduction of dinosaurs, Earth long time ago. What is the answer? Yes, this passage is about an introduction of dinosaurs. Okay children, let's move to the second passage. Passage B. There were no humans on Earth when dinosaurs lived on it. Dinosaurs first appeared on Earth about 230 million years ago. They lived here for about 165 million years. The period in which they lived is called the Mesozoic era. There are some new words in this passage as well. Let's find out their meanings. Appeared, came into sight. Era, a long period of history. Now let's find the general idea of passage B. This passage is about the period in which dinosaurs appeared on Earth, the period in which humans appeared on Earth, about Mesozoic era. Okay, this is the general idea of this passage. The period in which dinosaurs appeared on Earth. Let's move to the next passage now. Passage C. We learn about dinosaurs by looking at dinosaur fossils. Fossils are the preserved remains of living things. First dinosaur fossils were found in England in the 1920s. Scientists who study fossils are called paleontologists. There are some new words in this passage as well. Let's find out their meanings. Fossils, the preserved remains of living things. Look at this picture. It's a fossil of a dinosaur. Paleontologist, a scientist who study fossils. Here is a picture of a paleontologist. Okay children, now let's find the general idea of the above text. This passage is about paleontologists, first dinosaur fossils, how to study about dinosaurs. The general idea of this passage is how to study about dinosaurs. Now let's move to the next passage. Passage D. Different dinosaurs ate different things. Some dinosaurs were meat eaters or carnivores. Among them, Tyrannosaurus rex was the most dangerous. Dinosaurs such as Diplodocus and Stegosaurus were plant eaters or herbivores. Some dinosaurs were omnivores. They believed to have eaten plants, insects, and reptiles. Here you come across some new words. Let's find out their meanings. Carnivores, meat eaters. Herbivores, plant eaters. Omnivores, both meat and plant eaters. Okay, children, let's find out the general idea of the above passage. This passage is about food patterns of dinosaurs, Tyrannosaurus rex, herbivorous dinosaurs. The general idea of this passage is food patterns of dinosaurs. Now let's move to the next passage. Passage E. About 65 million years ago, dinosaurs became extinct or disappeared from the earth. Scientists have different ideas about how they became extinct. The most popular idea is that while they were living on Earth, a huge meteorite crashed into it. After that, the Earth became very cold. Dinosaurs and other reptiles could not bear the extreme weather and died. In this passage also, you find some new words. Let's find out their meanings. Extinct, disappeared forever from Earth. Meteorite, a fairly small natural object from space. Here is a picture of a meteorite. Crashed, hit. Extreme, maximum, or very great. Let's find out the general idea of passage E. This passage is about a meteorite, the extinction of dinosaurs, scientists' ideas about the death of dinosaurs. The general idea of this passage is the extinction of dinosaurs. Here you can see all the passages together as one text. After reading all, can you suggest a heading or a title for the whole text? Okay, as all the passages give facts about dinosaurs, we can name the text as Dinosaurs, the Terrible Reptiles. So children, now I think you have got a clear idea about how to extract the general idea of a text. So, hope you enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day.